Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Day to Day English channel. Today we are going to talk about 16 tips to improve your English. Dear friends, I always say to my students, keep practicing English. But then, how can we do that? I'm going to help you with some tips today that would improve your English speaking skill. So let's have a look. First, strong willpower. Dear friends, if you want to learn English by heart, then decide it first. That I want to learn English with full of dedication. Set the goal. Once you have the goal, you have to decide how much time you are going to spend on learning English every day. Do something regularly. Read and watch news in English. Rather than picking up newspaper in your native language, start picking up English newspaper. Start watching BBC, CNN. This will help you to build your listening skills as well as vocabulary. Listen at least one English song daily. If you enjoy English music, just Google the lyrics, download it, go on any of the websites. This would help you to get new words. Eventually, English words will come out from your mouth. Learn tenses carefully. Dear friends, tenses make important role while speaking English. So, learn tenses with interest. Read children books and cartoons. Don't think that I am not so small to read these books. Don't be embarrassed. Just go ahead. The reason because the language that is used in these books is of course very simple for children. Once you start reading these books, it would help you to understand the language well. Through cartoons also, you will build your vocabulary and sentence structure. But my dear friends, I would like to suggest you that read it loudly with speed. This speed reading will give you fluency. Listen audiobooks online. On YouTube, many websites provide audiobooks. Just listen it. It will help you to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Watch English movies with subtitles. Watching English movies will definitely help you in having a better command over the spoken English language. Watch the same movie 3 times repeatedly. Love English language and talk to yourself in English. Open your mouth and speak without hesitation. Talk to people and have conversation regularly. To speak English is a practical skill. You need to practice regularly. Find a conversation partner or native speaker online. Actually, speaking a foreign language is hard. Situation would be easy in your language can feel difficult in another language. Use English to English dictionary only. Don't use bilingual dictionary. Don't think in your native language. Dear friends, you have to break this habit if you want to speak well. Stop translating because the grammar rules in your language are different from English language. You cannot combine it together and translate everything word to word. Use technology. Use internet, blogs, videos, websites for enriching your language. Write diary daily at night. Write just some important events of the day. Write about what you did throughout the day. Don't be afraid. Become fearless. Though you are wrong, don't take tension. Go ahead. Don't hesitate. Don't think about other people. Be neutral. Practice makes the man perfect. Record your own voice. Dear friends, record your voice. Check it. Repeat it. That will improve your English skill. I hope you learned something from this lesson. The more you practice, the language would come naturally to you rather than being nervous or trying to struggle with words, or eventually you will be very confident and then you can speak English fluently. Thank you very much for being with me.